Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix a Steam Workshop downloader not working. Let's fix it guys. First solution is to verify game files. To do this, open up Steam. Right click on the game you have problem with and select properties. Select installed files and select verify integrity of game files. After getting done, you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the second solution guys. The second solution is to use big picture mode. To do this, you just need to open up Steam. You just need to select top right enter big picture mode over here. Click on it. Now in here you just need to select a menu on the left corner and select downloads. If you are downloading a mod, you can see the mod you downloaded here. To exit the big picture mode, you just need to select menu and select power and select exit big picture mode. The third solution is to clear download cache. To do this, open up Steam. Click on the Steam tab on the top and select settings. Select downloads. On right side, select clear cache. Select confirm. Now you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the fourth solution guys. The fourth solution is to turn off Steam beta. To do this, open up Steam, select the Steam tab on the top and select settings. Select interface, client beta participation. Click on the drop down over here and select no beta chosen and select restart now and restart your Steam. Now you can check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.